This video is all about QL140 RGB faulty fan. It's not working at all. Only RGB lights are working. So I recently contacted Corsair and I've been asked to let them know how did I wired up with the Corsair digital unit, which is I have connected this fan to Corsair RGB hub, and here's my motherboard, and I have my boot drive here, and digital hub is connected over here via this USB connector, and also this fan connected to the motherboard, fan header, and RGB cable connected to the digital hub. This is definitely the correct way you connect the Corsair hub. So let's turn the motherboard on. As soon as I turned it on, you can see fan is illuminated, it's not spinning. That's my issue. Fan is not spinning at all. I'm gonna connect this fan. Look at the fan. What will happen when I'm connecting this? You can see the fan try to spin, but it's not spinning. To confirm these headers are working properly, I'm gonna connect one of these Corsair's normal fan. So I'm gonna take this fan out, and this is the fan I'm connecting now. You can see motherboard fan header is working fine. There's no problem with that. Real issue is in the Corsair fan, and that is definitely a faulty fan. So I hope Corsair will help me with this as soon as I send this video to them. Thank you.